Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Happy New Year to everyone. So of course we're in 2024 now, and that means that there is a new year of events and things that are going to happen this year. I wanted to talk a little bit about Windows 10 and the focus that it's getting now back into the limelight, if you want. It's actually being in the spotlight again. Not necessarily for the best of reasons. A lot of you don't want to have the new features. But 2024 is a year where we're going to look at, of course, all sorts of things, including the hold that Windows 10 will have over time. How much market share will it have by the end of the year? Is it going to stay high? Is it going to start dropping? Are changes coming to Windows 11 and maybe a possible Windows 12 going to maybe modify all of this? One thing for sure is that more and more studies coming out are kind of saying that a lot of people on Windows 10 have PCs capable of moving on. I see a lot of people saying, well, only 30% of PCs. No, the actual numbers are much higher. Now, the thing is the desire to move on to maybe Windows 11 or not, which does not have much of a good reputation. But it will be interesting to see, with the add of CoPilot, that I don't think a lot of Windows 10 users really want to have CoPilot. It's still not there on my PC, but I know a lot of you said that you see CoPilot as a standalone app on the taskbar. And of course there's the little look at what is memorable with Microsoft Edge and the year in review thing. We'll see what 2024 will bring. Hopefully not too much of change, I would say, because I don't think Windows 10 users want to have much change. They just want to continue on with what they have and not get too many new features or shuffling around of features. I don't think it's going to be a big year. I think there is a few things. The spotlight's there. I think Microsoft understands there's still a lot of people on Windows 10, roughly 1 billion, and that it needs to give it a little more attention. Also, I don't know if this is the year. Will we know what the price of the extended support will be? That's the thing that we're waiting on. Some of you have asked me many times, could it be, what could be the price? And one of the things I think is happening right now, why we don't have a pricing for it, is that it will probably depend on several factors, including how popular it is still, but also they're throwing that idea out there. And I think they're looking at what users are thinking about it. They're looking at, the background noise of happy, unhappy, want to pay, not pay. It's going to give them an idea, I think, that, of maybe the pricing. If they see a lot of people kind of, not happy about it, maybe they'll put a lower pricing. I don't think they're going to remove the pricing, though. I think that's an idea that they want to continue, but you never know. Microsoft has backed off over time. So will we know the price of the extended support that will happen at the end of 2025? Still, it's almost 2 years of Windows 10 left, which in PC worlds is a long time. So we'll see what 2024 will bring. That's for sure.